In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or remove an email campaign in HubSpot. If you're new to HubSpot or simply need a refresher, this guide is perfect for you. We'll walk through the process step by step to ensure you can easily manage your email campaigns. So let's dive straight in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the HubSpot homepage. If you're unfamiliar with HubSpot, it's a comprehensive platform providing software and tools aimed at enhancing business operations, particularly in marketing, sales, and customer service. Once you're on the homepage, your next move is to log in. You'll find the login button conveniently located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If you haven't set up your login details yet, make sure you do so, as you'll need access to proceed further with these steps. Once logged in, you will be directed to your HubSpot home. This is your base camp for navigating through various HubSpot features. Now, to proceed with removing your email campaign, locate the marketing option on the home dashboard. This is the section where all your marketing tools and resources are grouped. Click on Marketing, and from the drop-down menu, select Email. This will take you to where all your email campaigns are housed. Now that you're in the email section, you'll see a list of all the email campaigns you've created. Here's where you can select any specific email campaign you wish to delete. Browse through the list until you find the email campaign you want to remove. Keep in mind that managing your email campaigns effectively is crucial for maintaining streamlined marketing operations. If the emails are no longer relevant or needed, it might be a good idea to clear them out regularly. Once you've identified the email you want to delete, click on it to open further options. Usually a detailed view of the email will appear, displaying metrics and other functionalities. Now look for the delete option. It can often be found along the top or side menu of the email detail page. Click on delete to proceed with removing the email campaign from your list. And there you have it, your email campaign will be deleted from HubSpot. Remember, once an email is deleted, it might be gone permanently, so ensure that you no longer need the campaign or its data before taking this step. This process helps keep your workspace organized and free from clutter, which could otherwise make managing your marketing efforts more cumbersome. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide was helpful for managing your email campaigns in HubSpot effectively. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to our support team for further assistance. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips to get the most out of your HubSpot experience. Until next time, happy marketing.